the vocal cord will be a little bit of dry. So better you try for something coffee item that will really help you to speak more about us.
Yeah.
So Sijan, let's actually let it be inform our organization also.
Yeah, it has already been informed.
It is informed, huh?
Yeah.
Actually, we have started this organization at least 1 year back.
June
June of last year.
6 months old. Our fan club is 6 months old.
I think you will already remember our fans club name, Mariners on the Move.
Yeah, I remember that time.
Mariners on the Move, and in that particular derby match, we have a very big flag in the second stair of the Salt Lake Stadium. In that flag, name has been written Mariners on the Move.
Do you watch
Actually, we all the people having in this organization, we praise in Mohun Bagan. We can't think anything rather than Mohun Bagan. And anyway, any circumstances, we want to beat East Bengal.
Yeah.
This is the main pride thing for us. Anyway, want to beat East Bengal.
So another interesting comment you made before the derby, that you have holes in your pocket. How did that comment come about?
You know, that match we played one Calcutta League
Against Kalighat.
Yeah, I missed a lot of chances, you know. I cannot believe I missed this. I go home, I said, wow, how I missed these chances? It's impossible, you know. I used to watch this part. They made funny goals, you know. Before I used to say, no, nobody can miss this. Then after that I say, oh yes, somebody can miss this. I miss also. You know. That day I was after the match, I was wow. I said okay, because sometimes if I miss some chances in a match, then I have a good sign for the next game, you know. So I missed a lot that day. I said, wow, maybe against this Bengal is going to be too much. So I have that whenever I miss in the match, I miss too much. Next game, sure, I will get so many goals. So I missed that day and I said, okay, it's time to make this promise, you know. I make the promise and I put myself under pressure, you know. Because I said I have so many goals on 25th. So I work hard and I to do so many things, you know. I practice alone and I thank God they come to my way that day.
Why reference to your pocket? Any special reason for it?
Many people started to believe that you really keep your goals in your pocket. You take them out when you wish.
You know what to do, you know, when it comes to big match like it, Mohun Bagan is a very big match, you know, so you have to show something different. So you try to do a lot of things, you know, so the match also, if you come to the ground, you see some huge crowd, we want to do more. Okay, thank you.
And then just one thing I want to ask, actually you played lots of derby match also.